So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and now tap on the Boomstar for some while, and you're going to see application details. Tap on the application details. Now you're going to be in the app info. Tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is toggled on like this. Now go back, tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on the force stop, then now tap on OK. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is toggled on like this. Now go back again and try to update the app. So after updating the app, tap on your power button for some while, and after tapping your